A boo. The meeting will come to order. This broadcast comes to you over a ghost-to-ghost hookup. And now, a word from our sponsor.
Ring 'em white, corny little wash-day goons.
Ladies and gents of no dimension, spooks and spirits of this convention, if you'll stay put and bend an ear, I'll wisen you up as to why we're here. We're starting to slip. Let's face it, kids. The sheet and horror business is on the skids. We're right on the brink of catastrophe. The old nightmare ain't what it used to be.
The man's got right. Tooting a horn and rattling chains is strictly from corn. The clammy hand and the eerie scream. Oh, now the McGee. Let's get on the beat.
Yeah, hold your horses. I disagree. What was good enough for Grand Spook is good enough for me. My old gaffer never laid no egg. He could raise goose pimples on a wooden leg.
Now look here, Pepe. Enough's enough. The creep and crawl's chin whisker stuff. If we don't get hip, we'll seal our fate. Take off the long underwear and swing it, Gate. Yeah, swing it high and swing it wide. Break it down on the gravy side.
I tell you, Grand Spook would disapprove. Why, he turned right over in his groove.
Ladies and gents, at ease. We'll have a little order, if you please. Stop beating your chops, and we'll have a word or two from the ectoplasmic delegates from Lenox Avenue.
Boot to the yellow, spaz or spaz, a jigger of jack and a jug of jazz. If you wanna stay on top of the heat, you got to dig it, brothers, and plant it deep.
Come gather round, all ye long-haired mobs. You icks who lacked your reckoning ticking right off the cob. All you who woo the rootin' and tootin', ain't no doubt.
Boogie woogie man'll get you if you don't watch out.
Well, you can't mistake that. That's that boogie beat. You'll recognize him by his zoot suit and his sweet pleated sheet. He's sure to find you, don't matter where you are.
And before you know, he'll have you rocking A to the bar. Oh, ho, ho, ho. The gent is solid. Oh, ho, ho, ho. He's anything Joe but stolid. Oh, ho, ho, ho. He'll have you collared. The boogie woogie man'll get you if you don't watch out. Hody ho, Joe.
The gent is solid.
Hody hody ho, Joe.
Anything Joe but stolid.
Hody hody ho.
He'll have you by the collar. Don't you holler.
Boogie man'll get you if you don't